welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will be reacting to another video and I'm very excited for this one. So without further ado, we will be reacting to Edyta Górniak with the song Set Fire to the Rain. So I'm very excited for this one. So without further ado, we will start. So let's go. Let's start. There you go. This is very nice song and her voice is just amazing. I totally love it. They were never true in the games you play. You would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain. Touch your face, I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming your name, but I set fire to the rain and I was into. Beautiful and so powerful. We'll go back a little bit and let's continue. That is the end. I wanna hear more. But anyway, oh my god, her voice is so beautiful and it's very nice song and I really enjoyed watching it. So that is my reaction for this video. And before I forget, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified if I have new video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some comments, some suggestion, just comment down below. I'm reading all your comments. So that's all for now. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.